Hello everyone, Heine Haynes show for scale. Big Eye Designs, new brand for us. So show you the packaging very quickly. Produce some lovely E.D.C gear. And this is their titanium, they call it EDS, everyday screwdriver. Looks like a small folding knife, doesn't it? But as you'll be able to see, thumb stud, you're actually screwdriver taking standard 1/4 inch bits in a magnetic holder. You can see it's a frame lock, so to disengage and fold up, and as he pops open you can see, there we go, frame comes over, opens nice and securely for you, and when it's closed you've got rare earth magnets in there, you can probably see, keeping them shut. On the opposite side of it you've got a channel, so you can put whatever one bit you need yourself, the standard 1/4 inch drive. So you could have, if you're using it for knife maintenance, you could just keep your Torx bits in there, or a mixture of both. Comes standard with, what have we got, a Posi 2, a T, we got a T8, and then we've got a number 7 flash. So you can see they're in that groove on the back. It is grade 5 titanium, so very light, only weighs 80 grams all in all. If we do the sizes on him, because it is an everyday carry, so it's quite important. Alright, closed, we're looking at 7.5. When we open him up, overall length we are looking is 13, just over 13 centimeters. The squareness of it, if we go for these dimensions on the sides, we're looking at just shy, we're looking at 19 mil. Width 12. You've got titanium pocket clip as well. So if you take that into account, the widest part we're looking at then is about 19. So it's got a little lanyard on there. Load your 1/4 inch drive bits in. So from the top, they can't fall out from the bottom because you've got a little stop bar on there. So they're in there safely. You have to force them past the lanyard so that they're not going anywhere. The magnets help keep them in place. So you can see they're not falling anywhere, because you've got your magnet there which is keeping them in position as well. But a lovely little item, weighs nothing, and then you've got a screwdriver as part of your E.D.C kit. Being titanium, it's one of those nice things to have and to own. They make a lot of other things, so keep an eye out for Big Eye Designs, but that is the everyday screwdriver.